Okay, Donald is going to start pulling his sample. His start number is tray number 18.
18. I'm doing a 30-25. So my start number is 18. And come on over here, you have to see inside. This is deceptive right here. When you have another tray on another tray, sometimes you might think, some people just count like that, but you have to look underneath. As you can see, there's no mail in it. So you can't count that as a tray. That's why you have to go through each one of the trays. So this is 1, 2. Okay. And you want to go all the way down. Pull this all the way down completely because, as you can see, there's trays underneath here, and you don't want to, count that. And you want to be consistent where you count. I can start from the back. So that's 1, 2, 3. You pull it up, make sure mail in it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And be sure you're looking for accountable mail. You don't want to count a tray of accountable since this is just a letter test.
Exactly. 10.
And a tray is a tray, whether it's a half tray or a full-size tray.
12, 13. And I'm counting this tray. I know it's a half tray, but it counts as a full tray. So 13, 14, 15. So I got 15 right there. Remember, my start number is 18. So you want to annotate that somewhere, and what I do, I annotate it on the back of the sheet right here. So let me know where I'm at. I know my start number is 18, so I put an X right here, but I hadn't got my number yet. But 15 is what I left off with, so I'll write an underline that I left off at 15. But I don't want to forget where I'm at, so I mark it anyways, okay, before I actually get it, but I do mark the underline. Okay, now these containers right here, I'm done with these, so I have to go and tag them so that they can go ahead and do what they have to do. You want to kind of save these little tags here. These tags. Visual. And you just let it notify, if you see the clerk notify that you're done, just so they can just come get it. Because sometimes if you see them, you might not tell them right away. And they're waiting on you anyways. You can come on over and follow me. For this station, there's 2 staging areas, so you want to make sure that you get both of the staging areas. Okay, there's 3 zones at this particular station, Tamarack. You got 21, 51, and 20, the box mill. You want to make sure you don't miss the box mill as well. So, right now I'm going to start over here because this is the flow. It came in. Those containers were first, and then these was the second set. And then the other staging area, what I'm going to show you, is going to be the 3rd set. But we're going to start over here. Container skip. Now, since they stack it like this, they'll tip over when you go ahead and try to pull the samples. So, what I do, I'll pull it all the way down. Make sure it's not going to tip over or slide out. But they're going to pull it down all the way anyway, down here. So each one of these is pull it down first. Make it easier.
Donna, why don't we just work on that first one, please?
Okay. Okay, the last container, it was 15, so I'm going to continue to count on here. Now I'm going to use these dots right here, so I'm not going to pull my sample out right away. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do later. But it was 15, so that's 16, 17, 18. So, and then I'll mark it right here so you can see it. Then I start off again. 1, make sure Mel is in it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I'm going to kind of put it where you can actually see it from an angle too. So start over again. 1, 2, 3. Wait, I'm double counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. See, I'm doing a 30 every 30 containers. So you don't want to mix your start number with your container number. Okay, start number was 18, so you start off and then it's 30. Then I'll start off again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now some people count this as a bundle, but of course you visually strip this, and this is the primary container here, not that. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. $29, $30. One, two, three, four, five. Six, 7, 8, 9. Now sometimes you can't. You got to go to the side a little bit so you can make sure that you're not missing any containers, because sometimes it can be pushed all the way down like that and you may not be able to see it. So you want to look to the side and make sure there's no container kind of angled. You can see it to the side. You can see a tray angled inside another tray. Okay, continue to count. 10, 11, 12. As you can see, that one was high. 13. 'I left off with 13. Over here at this staging area. But since I'm going to go tag my mail, I don't want to forget. So I'm going to just write that number down so I won't forget. I have to tag this mail released. And I want to do it right away, because I'm done with it.
Okay, what are you going to do with the letter trays that you put the red dots on, Donald?
Oh, okay. I'm going to continue my count. Makes sense to continue your count. If you change it now, I haven't pulled my sample completely out. So they might just go through it. So you want to go and continue your count to the other staging area. This is the way it came in. This came in first, so I start from this container the way it came in before the mail. And I checked my form again to make sure I didn't forget. The last one was 13 over there, so 14 down here. I'm going to stay consistent going from left to right counting. 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, when I count, I don't count looking at it like this. I do it at an angle, because every now and then you might see a tray hitting back there at an angle where you won't be able to see that it's a tray. So you want to go kind of look to the side when you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, I see it from the side. 7, 8, 9. Right here. I can see it from the side. So you can look right here. 10, 11. See? 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. $18, $19, $20, $21, $22, $23, $24. Okay. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. When you counting, some people count like this, like that, and then they'll go like this, like that, like that. If you count these consistently like that, you can just count it going straight up like this. Or however you do it, just make sure you're consistent at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. As you can see, this was buried. You want to be able to see it like this. You have to look to the side, like I was saying. You can, this is like one container, but it's actually two. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And one left over. I write down what I got left over, just in case there's some late mail or there's another staging area, which I'm going to check out over there in the box section just to make sure. And we're going to check out one last area for this station. That's another. There's no mail over here yet. They're gonna bring the mail from over there, from what I showed you earlier. The mail comes in mixed. But you want to check all the areas visually that there's no containers around of any letters whatsoever. This mail you already tagged released if there was any mail earlier today. You want to check the entire box section, any container that possibly might have mail in it, letter trays that become mixed with mail, and it's nothing. No. There's another truck. I just want to make sure that there's no other mail. I'm going to check that section over again in the hot case to make sure there's no mail going in. This was the container earlier, but of course they took the tag off it. I just put the tag, another tag on it, just so I won't get confused.
Okay, it looks like pretty much these are flat tops. Can we start, let's start pulling the DPS letter trays.
Right. Okay, now I'm going to pull the samples. They already got tagged and marked. Now, as you can see, I stage over this area. I stage already released tags on here because I'm going to transfer this to over there. Now, time permit, you don't have to transfer everything over there, but just enough to pull your sample out, and so it won't be tipping over as well. Just trying to make it easier for yourself and also the carrying.